In this video, I'll show you how to connect a monitor to your Mac Mini M4. So let's get started. There's many ways on how to connect a monitor to your Mac Mini. First of all, most of them will use an HDMI cable like this one. This screen is a 4K screen made by AOC. It wasn't very expensive, that's why I got it. And if we look on the back where the connectors are, this monitor has two HDMI ports and one display port. If you have an HDMI cable, connect it to the HDMI 1 or 2, it does not matter. If your monitor only has a display port, you'll need a cable that is a display port to HDMI or display port to USB Type-C. Then on the back of your Mac Mini, take your HDMI cable and connect it to the single USB HDMI port, like that. Once your monitor is plugged, the image should come instantly. Some screens, like this portable monitor, only need a USB Type-C cable to work. So USB Type-C, you just need to connect it over here or in the front. It does not matter which port you choose. And once I plug it like that, on the screen, the image will appear. If you want to connect two monitors that have a HDMI cable, the Mac Mini only has one HDMI port. So you'll need to get one of these adapters. This one is made by Pluggable, has been quite reliable. It's an HDMI to USB Type-C adapter. Once your monitor is connected, there's a few settings you can change. If you go on the top left corner where you see the Apple logo, click on it. Select System Settings. Then select Display on the left side menu. And this will be your monitor. You can choose between different resolutions if you're not happy with what you see. So if you prefer the text and everything to be smaller, you can click and select the one that fits your needs the best. Then you have color profile. If you're gonna do photo editing or video editing and you want to have accurate colors, I suggest you click here. You're gonna have a list of different color profiles that you can choose, and you can also that you can try, but you can also go and customize and build your own color profile, which means that it will try to calibrate your screen so that what you see, so that the colors are, well, accurate. So just click customize if you want to do this. Then you have refresh rate. Just choose the highest number. This is what most people will do anyway. And you have rotation. If you prefer using this screen in vertical mode, you'll need to go here and select how many degrees of rotation you want. Then you have advanced, and you're going to have a few more options, but most people will not need to even go here. The Mac Mini is able to connect up to 3 different displays with different resolutions. I'll put on the screen right now what are the limits of doing this. Most people will be fine with that, but just pause the video, check your setup, check if it's compatible, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and type a comment.